Hey there, how are you doing today? And happy holidays. I wanted to just quickly show it to you. I wrote it out over here for you, but just real quickly. So the challenge is that sometimes the subcontractors are being added or being asked to bid on a project and they don't really update things quickly. And I want this number to update faster instead of having to remind them. So I just threw an icon out here. And what we're going to do on the general contractor side is just manually add them as a bidder. So the only fields that we really need are intercompany name and intertrade. These really don't matter, to be honest with you. So when we click submit, need three things to happen essentially. In the project list, we need will bid updated. So we're going to add this subcontractor. So whatever the subcontractor's name is right here in the company name, we're going to go ahead and update the will bid. Then under the actual company, which is, it doesn't matter, so-and-so plumbing, we're going to update list of bid requests, which should be right here. List of bid requests. And then we're going to also add a list of will bids. So then all the stuff automatically updates. The trick in here, which is this section right here, enter the company name. So if the company exists in the system, I don't want to recreate them. So for example, Gainesville Plumbing already exists. I just want to be able to populate Gainesville Plumbing, and then the trade is plumbing, and then add them, and this should automatically update. You don't even have to add this. It should automatically realize that from the database for whatever reason that's tripping. So that's the this section right here. And then the only other thing is we want to add add this company to the list of favorites only if it's not in the favorites. So because then in the future the bid will be sent out automatically to them because they're in my favorite companies. So that should have updated right here. List of favorite companies, plumbing, Gainesville Plumbing. If it exists, it should not be in the list of favorite companies. If it doesn't exist, it should go into the favorites over here. So let me know what questions you have. I try to break it out into three different pieces so you could understand it a little better. And as always, I appreciate your help. Thank you, and happy holidays.